Okay friends, this is a test there. I bought these batteries. Are made by Power Access, and I want to try them. It's a battery sawzall. We're gonna try this. I'm gonna cut a few trees with this, and we're gonna see how it works. Timber. Just to clean the road here a little bit. Ooh, there's one above. God. I don't know if I'll be able to. I just have to go up there. Hang on. If I don't make it back there, y'all don't wonder what happened to me. Get a billy goat. Wind, I tell you. We need it. See, this is a system I devised. It's a drill, and this I'll show you after what I did here. This is the crank when I cut the chunk of crank out. But these drills are about 15 years old, and the batteries were gone on them. So I went on the net. I found these on Amazon. I'm gonna give the description of that a little bit later there. And I bought some. So now we can, woo, that's the winding part. See that, folks? We can bring them in and take them out. No pain, no strain. And it's the easy way to do things, but to be able to do it this way, you need batteries. So I went and I bought batteries for it. Okay, the whole story on these batteries. See, this is the Milwaukee 18 volt, 2.4 amp hour. Okay, and this is the Milwaukee sticker. I don't know. But these are the original batteries. They're about 15 years old. And I did a trick, eh? This battery here is the same as this one. See, this doesn't have a sticker. So what I did, I took this sticker off an old battery, an old Milwaukee battery, and I put it on where there's nothing. And then I took this sticker off, and I put that sticker on. It's kind of a, but I know these batteries, the lithium ion, I don't really like these, eh? They got a whole bunch of fancy stuff, like the little button where you can see how much charge is left. But these have a shelf life. Okay, no matter, you can take it, have it for 4 or 5 years, have it on the shelf, not use it once. It's done, it's finished. These batteries, some of them I had them for at least 12 years, and they still had something left in them. But finally, now that found a place to buy them cheap. Like they used to be $100 a piece, but now I found on Amazon, and see this here? It's power axis, and anyways, that's the price, $34.99 a piece. I bought two. It ended up at $69.98. There it is again there. Replaces, and it says the number. So that was a direct replacement. See, it's written Chicago Pneumatic. So this, it's sold by Power Axis. I don't all know with this Chicago Pneumatic, or else that's a number battery that Chicago Pneumatic has that this battery replaces. I don't know. But anyways, I know I took it apart. I'm not going to take one apart. I took an old one apart. Hang on, I'll switch this around. I took an old one apart, and I took one of the new ones apart. And it's identical inside, okay? And the case outside, it's identical two-way. So I don't know. It works for me. If you want, you can try it. You're on your own once you endeavor into this. But that's it. I just wanted to tell you my my take on this battery stuff. So 35 bucks is a lot better than $100 in my book. So with this, I say salute you all, and thumbs up. You can leave comments if you want, and we'll see you in the next one.